Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a form in Asana, right? First up, go ahead and log into your Asana account. Once you're in here, go to your projects in the left panel. All right. For example, this project right here, YT project. All right. So I'm going to go ahead over to the top right, which says customize right here. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on forms. After that, just click on the plus sign that says add. Okay. Click on it. All right, as you can see here, there's an error. Only other users in your Asana instance will be able to see your form during your free trial. All right, so just go ahead and purchase the subscription first if you want to share it to everyone. So for example, here, I'm just going to add a cover image like this one. Just wait for it to upload. Now this is going to be the name of the form, YT project. If you want to change it, just go ahead and click on it and change it wherever you want, like add in some form. Okay. Keep editing. Description right here. For example, personal details. Okay. Just click away, then add in some fields. For example, name, email address. If you want the name to be required, just click on it and make sure that the required slider is turned on. Also the email. Okay. If you want to add in some fields, as you can see here, it says drag another question here. Just go ahead and do so. For example, a new question right here, like an age. All right. And the type right here would be a number. Okay. Once that's done, if you want to add in some attachments, just go ahead and do so right here. Upload file like that, required. If you want to copy, you can go ahead and duplicate this particular field. Or if you want to move it up, just click on it and click on the up and down arrow key. Okay. Once that's done, if you want to view it, just go ahead and click on view form. And once you're done, you can go ahead and share your form or copy the link in a safe place. Once done, just click on publish and you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.